Good morning, bro. I actually making the video right now. Sorry for long time no making the video. I'm actually sorry for that. It's 1 a.m. in the morning, and so right here is the code I told you about. So this is the MyWa Web to App compiler. What it simply does is collects your information concerning your website and builds an APK out of the website. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this APK to rebuild it to show you that it actually builds the APK file. So let me delete this because this is one I've already built with my code. Yeah, save, delete, go out. Let me remove this bundle. Hope you know what bundle is all about. Bundle is the that is the AAB. The AAB, no longer the APK file. This is the one you release on Google Play Store. That is if you want, so that it can differentiate between different what is it called between different Android architectures, whether you're using ARM64, ARM v7a, ARM v8, v68, or I've forgotten, something like that, then x86 and x64 bit systems. Okay, it says this one is read only because I actually built it with, yeah, I actually built this with root, so I need to delete that file with root user permission. No problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this program. Or should I run it in terminal? No, let me just run it here first, then let me show you how it works. So this is the compiler. So it's asking, do you want to go sudo mode? That is if you're a root user. So actually I talked about building the software in a GUI form. So this is actually for developers only, those who know and understand Linux operating system very well. Actually, I didn't make it compatible with Windows. I'm still working on that. Maybe when we start working together on this, we could do that. So I'm gonna say yes. Yeah, normally because my SDK and NDK exist in root user, yeah, blah blah blah, whatever. So but I don't have Android SDK and NDK in my normal user. That's why I'm running this as a root user. But if I want, I could run it as a normal user and it will download the SDK and NDK from it. But I don't want that actually. So all I want is all okay. Yeah, I was checking to see if this actually works. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. Alright, so what's the application name? Now this software actually is going to be editing files. If you have ideas of Ginger, yeah, I'm using Ginger to talk to Java softwares like Java codes. These are Java templates. I kind of like when I enter the name of the app, it goes up here and plugs in the name of the app. Actually, I'm using, yeah, Ginger. Is it Ginger? I've forgotten the name. Let me check my import statement. By I know, pretty sure it's Ginger. Yeah, Ginger 2. So that's what I'm using to talk with all these template files here, because these are the template files that I need to create the Java application. So enter the application name. I might say what is the application name? Okay, let me exit out of this first and start it all over again. Yeah, because I'm quite pretty not getting what the look I signed up for, so I'll say yes here. Just pop up that stuff. Don't mind, my computer sometimes goes crazy. So I'm gonna say, can you, yeah, call my password here, and application name of choice. I want to call this test, yeah, test app, right? So it actually, what it does here is actually add this is the package name, something like that. So I kind of like printed it out to make sure it is in order, but I'm still gonna remove that for debugging purposes. So I'm gonna say, first of all, I'm gonna start up my let me choose Google, right? HTTPS google.com, because I have network connection. If not, I will start up my local host, google.com. So it's going to check whether the website exists. Actually, the website exists. If nothing shows for long, then the web address you enter does not exist. So it's going to check if this web address exists before it carries on. So I'm gonna put this on portrait. What's the orientation of my phone? Portrait, right? Did I spell this right? I might just say port because I handled that. When you write port and you didn't complete the rest, it's going to take that in. So what image should I choose here? I think I got to steal some image from myself. Oh, I have one off head. I'm just going to use that one forever. Home, uh, pictures. Don't know if this one works. Pictures. Oh my god, no. Home user, this is me. Oh god. Pictures. Then 2.jpg, right? Yeah, file exists. So I'm going to use this consistently because this is a testing software. It doesn't matter, actually, it is a testing software. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So there it is. Mind you, this, okay, it's copying these files to the Android application builder. Okay, the image does not exist, please enter. I just press enter without anything. So I'm going to repeat that because I didn't handle this exception very well. Yeah, my bad. So it's gonna ask whether these two informations are very much correct. If they are not, and you wish to go back, then yes, they are very much correct. So checking my Android SDK and found it on the folder I told it to locate it on. Check if the folder and the if the SDK and the NDK does not exist, actually is going to download them from me. So rendering your collected informations to on web apps, so it's kind of like rendering the template to the main Java files on the on web app. As you can see, the file location where it's rendering the, so that's the way it works. So you wish to install APK or AAB, so I might want to go with APK because AAB failed to delete. I deleted the APK, remember? Yeah, so it's starting the compilation right now. This is awesome. So starting in zeros, just that. I don't know, that takes, no, yeah, here it is. So if you've compiled an Android application, I think you'll notice that this is the real compilation stuff here going on. So yeah, it's working quite alright. And yeah, when it's done, I'll show you the APK. Actually, I won't test it out right now because not with my, I don't have Android phone right now here with me, and I have emulator, but to start it up immediately is going to hang a lot of things on my laptop because this laptop is crazy. Like, I don't have enough space and all that. Gig RAMs, processor is not that much fast. So maybe later I'm gonna show you the full stuff how it works on phone. I'll just plug in my phone and yeah, run it. So you'll see everything how it works, how it goes. So it's all Python doing this. you know yeah, I think it's compiling. Yep, yep, yep. Something is downloading. Oh my god, I never signed up for this downloading stuff. Something, yeah, that 1 MB done. Okay. Come on, come on. How many times? Well, first time building Android application takes a lot of time, so it should be done within some minutes. So why this is still going? Oh man, scroll down. Okay, still packaging. Yeah, build successful. Yeah, after building it, you just close. For the record, MyWeb stands for MySite Websites APK Compiler. Mutai stands for MySite Web to App, that is APK Compiler. So that is the way it works. Now let's check here and see if it built my APK. It's gonna look awesome. So right now I'm not supposed to be in build actually. It's supposed to be in app build here. Is it here? Am I going to check release? No. Build thing is generated. No. Output, I mean, yeah. So here it is. Check the release. Remember, I deleted the debug. Yes, there was none on the release, so it built the release version of the APK. And if I should plug this into my Android phone, I think it should work. Exactly, it should, yeah, work fine. So that is it, my brother, and that is the way my code works. So this is just all about my code. Maybe I still have to, you know, send you some part of the code so you look at it and understand how it works. So this is all the code. Yeah, all the code. So bro, that's it. Thank you for watching and checking this out. This is awesome.